Ni hao, Pestilence here with a Chinese combination padlock. And the seller from eBay was kind enough to put on there which characters had to line up in order to get it to open up, which was very nice. And it can be persnickety. There is a as you can see there's the end, and there's the other end, and here are the characters. And there is there's that. So I bought this on eBay, as I said, and initially I believe it was a woman selling it. She had it listed as an antique, but she wasn't positive about it, and so she went over her notes, and I looked for the conversation because I was sure that I had asked her how old it was and things like that, and of course I couldn't find that conversation. So I don't know. I must be going crazy. Must have been in a dream or something. However, she changed the listing from antique to vintage after going over her notes, and she said that she couldn't find anything to support that it was actually an antique. However, everything that she had gotten from the estate sale was vintage or antique. So that led her to believe that it was at least vintage. I have looked at other listings for locks like this, and I haven't seen a whole lot of them. I have seen something similar to this, which was listed as an antique, and the age was listed from, well, the only other one that I've seen was listed as 1900 to 1909. So, how old is this? I don't know. But I'm pretty sure that it's not a reproduction. They usually don't go into this much detail. And they generally cost a lot less. But as I said, they look similar, but you can tell in the quality that this is a whole lot different from those. So I didn't try to pick it or decode it. There doesn't seem to be a lot of space between each of the wheels. So, not really sure. Two things that I don't like to do, and one is ruin a lock by trying to get it open, and the other one is ruin it by forcing it. I don't want to do anything to damage any of my locks that I've purchased to be as part of a collection. So this is part of my collection, and I decided it was going to stay part of my collection. So there you go. A nice vintage, possibly antique Chinese word lock. Although I'm not sure if this is supposed to spell out. I know the characters can mean various things, so you could get a couple sentences probably out of a couple characters. So there you go. Another Chinese lock. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care. Stay legal. Bye.